In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wealthfront routing number, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to expect on screen, and how to use those numbers safely for direct deposits and payments. First, a quick clarification so you don't waste time searching in the wrong place. Trust cash accounts don't include checking features, which means they don't have routing or account numbers at all. If that's the only account you see, you won't be able to find these numbers there. To access routing and account numbers, you'll need an individual or joint cash account that has checking features, and it should be funded. If you've recently opened one, give it a moment after funding so everything finishes setting up. Also remember, these numbers are sensitive banking details, so treat them like you would a password. Don't share them publicly. When you're ready, open the Wealthfront website on your computer or the app on your iOS or Android device, and log in securely. Use your usual credentials and any two-factor authentication you have enabled. Once you're in, head to your cash section and make sure you're viewing your individual or joint cash account, not an investing account or a trust account. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the label on the screen so you're in the right place. Inside your cash account, look for the Manage option. This is typically near your account details or settings. Select Manage, then choose Account and Routing Numbers. This is where Wealthfront displays the two pieces you need: the routing number and the account number. Depending on your device, they might appear masked, tap or click to reveal, and use the copy function if it's available to avoid typing mistakes. If you plan to store them, keep them in a secure location. You can now use these numbers to set up direct deposit with an employer, pay bills from services that accept bank details, or connect to payment apps like Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal. When any service asks what type of account this is, choose checking. That ensures the deposit or withdrawal goes through the right rails and avoids unnecessary delays. If you don't see the numbers, confirm you're in the individual or joint cash account with checking features and that it's funded. Also refresh the app or log in on the website to rule out a display hiccup. That's it. You've learned where to find your Wealthfront routing and account numbers and how to use them confidently and securely. Thanks for watching and take care.